Hello everyone, we're back again in a new tutorial for 3ds Max 2018 and today we are talking about Lattice Modifier. So let's go to the modifier list and Lattice Modifier. What Lattice Modifier do? Lattice Modifier searches for segments and vertices. Between two segments lies one vertex. So what it does, it converts the segment into struts, or we can call it pipes, or 3D struts, and convert the vertex into a joint as mentioned here, making struts only from edges. Search for edges and make them struts or mullions or 3D shape, and joints from vertices, and we will see the shape. And it also deletes any surface. Let's check here. So we can see the struts and the joints. We can only make struts or we can only make joints. Of course, we can control struts, radius, segments, sides, and joints. Let's check quickly the joints. I can increase in order to see. I can control the shape, tetra, octa, oxa, whatever, and increase segments, but I must warn you against increasing segments, because if we press 7 from the keyboard, we have here 15,700 polygons. If we just increase the segments to 2, we have 38,000. So beware, I don't recommend at all to increase any segments for this. Okay, we will go to our old building and we will apply lattice, but I guess we need the surface between these. So what can I do? I can make 2 copies. Control V will give me 2 copies. Of course, I will make this type copy and apply the lattice modifier, and I will use struts only and might give it black or gray color like this. Maybe I will make it 0.4, and that's it. Thank you.